David's Nkemsnachi Onovo. The experience has been awesome. In fact, I must give it to Bizmarrow Technology for their style of teaching. That's because they simplified the teaching process and have made the things interesting for people like us. Of course, if you look very well, we are no longer of the youthful age, but then we were looking for how to also belong to the digital age. And you know very well that the age that we are in is digital age, by which if you are not digitally inclined, you'll be out of business. And not just business, but you will not be useful as much as others. And I think Bizmarrow is doing well in that regard. And I want to encourage them to keep the work. Although there are still many chances of improvement, because change is very constant. And I believe very well that as they get their feedback, they will use it also to improve on the areas where there are, on the gray areas. Very well, I have been a content creator for some years, but coming to Bizmarrow Technology, it has also further broadened and sharpened my knowledge about digital marketing and digital training. Well satisfied. Of course, a room is not built in a day. Definitely, I'm not expecting to catch up with everything. Like I said from the beginning of this interview, that my assimilation level cannot be compared to when I was very young. You know, at those days when I was in school, I was seen as a very intelligent somebody and very intelligent young chap. But today I discovered that my assimilation capacity is no longer like that again. But coming to Bizmarrow, they have also helped in their system of training and in the system of teaching. I think I have learned a lot.